Welcome to this lesson on inclined planes. An inclined plane is one of the fundamental simple machines in physics. Today, we'll explore how ramps reduce the force needed to move objects to higher positions. This is part of our mechanics series where we break down the principles that govern motion and force. An inclined plane is a flat surface that is tilted at an angle. It forms a ramp connecting two different heights. Unlike complex machinery, an inclined plane has no moving parts. It's simply a sloped surface that serves as a simple machine to make work easier. Here's the fundamental concept. When you lift an object straight up vertically, you need to apply maximum force over the shortest distance. However, when you use a ramp or inclined plane, you can move that same object using much less force. The trade-off is that you must push or pull the object over a greater distance along the slope. When an object sits on an inclined plane, gravity acts on it in two ways. The force of gravity can be broken down into two components. The parallel force pulls the object down along the slope. The perpendicular force presses the object into the surface of the ramp. Understanding these force components helps us analyze how inclined planes work. The mechanical advantage of an inclined plane is calculated using a simple formula. Mechanical advantage equals length divided by height. Here, length refers to the distance along the ramp, and height is the vertical rise. The mechanical advantage tells us how much the ramp multiplies our effort by reducing the force we need to apply. Let's work through a practical example. Suppose we have a box weighing 100 newtons that we need to lift to a height of 2 meters. If we use a ramp that's 10 meters long, we can calculate the mechanical advantage. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. This means we only need to apply 20 newtons of force instead of the full 100 newtons. That's 5 times less effort. There's an important trade-off with inclined planes. You reduce the force required, but you increase the distance traveled. The total work done remains constant. Work is force multiplied by distance. Whether you lift straight up or push along a ramp, the total work is the same. You're essentially trading effort for distance, making the task more manageable. Inclined planes are everywhere in daily life. Mountain roads zigzag up steep slopes to reduce the grade and make climbing easier for vehicles. Wheelchair ramps provide accessible routes that require less effort than stairs. Loading ramps help move heavy cargo into trucks without requiring the full lifting force. Inclined planes transform difficult tasks into manageable ones by reducing the required force.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.